A very warm welcome to the 25th anniversary of INDIAWOOD. We are very happy to welcome 600 exhibitors from 30 countries contributing towards Viksit Bharat.
INDIAWOOD has always been a great platform for us to exhibit, and we see this as a great platform to leverage. And this being a 25th year, we at Pidilite, we have always been a very strong partner for INDIAWOOD ever since its inception.
INDIAWOOD helps people from the woodworking fraternity to come together under one roof. So it's a good platform for people working with the woodworking industry.